As the week progresses, right, the first thing you want to pay close attention to is if there's any reversal. The first one will be here, the liquidity on the break of that orange, right? That's the first, because you see that there is a possibility a larger cup closes at 685 yellow, right? You see all the wicks here at 685 yellow. That's important, right? So you want to see some form of liquidity that's starting to form, build the handle here. So breaking out 685 yellow, some level of support here, this will be ideal. That's the first level you have to pay close attention to. If market is kind, 5-day will build liquidity there too if there is a reversal there. All right. Now the next one will be this magenta, right? If the market wants to take some more time, I would very much prefer this if it takes time to go up. Right, you let it build liquidity, because if this wants to go up, it's going to try to grab this liquidity on the way up to that 700. Now, why is SPY taking a long time to 700? Because this is not, well, firstly, SPY is not the index. If we take a look at SPX, it has already tested 7,000, a round figure, right? So it's already done. So therefore, SPY were obviously looking at the next possible target for SPY. Because if this wants to break up, 700 is where all the liquidity will be for it to grab, right? So the psychological target has already been met with the SPX, which is the S&P 500 index. So do check it out. If you take a look at SPX, it has already retested 7,000. So anyway, ideally, I would hope more liquidity build here with the 5-day. Before we grab the liquidity of that 20-day moving average, right? This is a very important level, near to that 689, 690 level. Like this will be a very important level as well if the magenta wants to break. And lastly, where the green liquidity is, right? This is the main liquidity that you have to pay close attention to. By then, your 5-day, your 20-day would have already some structure to show you that it has turned into support. Very important, yes. This is important. Pay close attention to that. If you're still worried, especially the market's going to be slow, wait for cups to close, right? Because I wouldn't think that. Now, remember my lesson about cups closing? I would very much hope it's a spillover, but not so. Right, so you can absolutely afford to wait, build more liquidity before this starts heading up. Not hard. It's hard only when you try to predict. But if you prepare, and when it happens, you are already prepared, you know exactly what you need to do, then you can fulfill your objective of finding profits in the charts.